Annyeong chingudeul. Today I'm going to cook sinigang because Justin requested for it. So I have improvised ingredients because it's limited here in Korea. You cannot buy all. So I'll show you. So I already boiled the meat and radish as well because it would take time to boil it. The the cut was too big, so actually I used the rib part. So instead of using kangkong and talbos, I'm going to use mustasa because it's the only one available in Korea. Alternative. So I have to cut onions as well. Cut the remaining radish. In Korea, radish are bigger. So like my arm or leg. So you have to cut it smaller. Actually, I just put 1/4 because I cannot use all. Okay, so I will put these remaining. Okay, almost cooked. And then we have to put onion. Okay. But I have to remove these. Looks like leek. Okay. Two more. Done. And you know what? I need tomato, but I didn't buy in the market. I have my own tomato there. So I got small tomatoes. In Korea, you call it pangul tomato. So I'm going to harvest. Look. Ta-da! So cute, isn't it? 3. The others not yet ripe, so we have to wait. Okay, I'm going to cut the tomatoes into two small actually. So cute. Oh. Okay, I'm going to put the tomatoes, and then this I have to cut the end part. Okay, but I will put it later. First, I have to put the mix. Sinigang sa sampalok mixed with gabi. So one, and I have another one here. So I'll make sure it's very sour because the weather is rainy day. So it will fit. Sinigang plus extra rice. and rain. Justin is really hungry and waiting. Okay, so I'm going to cut these two sinigang mix. And I'm going to put here, almost done. Tadaan! Panlasangpinoy. You're missing Filipino food. Okay, and the other one. Actually, while cooking, I'm washing the clothes. You see? I'm doing multitasking. In Korea, you have to do like that and work like that because in Korea, time is gold. Look at my drum washing machine, too small. Wow, too many. Yummy, yummy. Oh. Wow. I remember when I was in Philippines, every Sunday, I always request for sinigang. Right? Justin, do you agree?
네.
Yeah, in Philippines, that is the family food every Sunday. Sinigangnababoy. Yeah, so if you're living in other country, it's really rare to eat Filipino food, so it's like a fiesta. So you have to prepare a lot of rice. Actually, about 2 or 3 extra rice. Okay, almost done. So I'm going to put the vegetables. I'm going to put salt to taste. Okay, but others they use fish sauce actually, but I prefer salt. And the last part, I'm going to put the vegetables. So this will be semi-cooked only. Oh, I think I need a bigger pot. Ooh, loaded. Wow. Yum yum. Oh no, no more space. I don't have a bigger pot. Oh, the tomato, the color is changing. Oh, even though my tomatoes are small. Yummy, yummy. Okay. Almost done. So I have to boil this for 2 minutes more, and I will arrange the table so we can eat. Okay. And we have leftover laing with shrimp. Wow. So we're going to have our lunch. Okay, come on, let's try our sinigang and laing. Okay, let's taste it. Oh, oh, Philippine style, really. Oh, so good. Okay, Annyeong, chingudeul.